aba kusinte tutubora neke maina unatora moiga ase channel yane buya ngora naki aba ikoyoroche ndobategeme Moruchi ndobategeme mo especially abagambi babo kuri boikoyo ndobategeme ko konya Matiang'i se campaign for 2027 mbale tra Matiang'i chikura yako karamu na woni to gamba onde tiyo gukwane kura Matiang'i ngorokyo mugambi yo muguru boikoyo olise kerogo chorire guimuko ukwane litale Matiang'i bia no yomo nalingalinde kero mamu mabotongi asirite igatoka Nairobi nalinge ngoma walk down kagenda baka Maxwell ali Maxwell mbabwate tete fundraising ya Matangayu ama mwabotongi ngaikaransalende naba gambi balingo ngeli nabande ngotegerera ninge abantu bakwana mungwana maka magochombo koyo ole a member of parliament akama gotevinga njimna ndoche ikoroge kense ino tocho kikaba goche rosio mumro ino kabisa marose lakini mungwana ina akamora andons never no peniga ka hotevanga Matiang'i ba konya chikura ondete yo chiro gokonya Matiang'i chikura kurus boikoyo boni ondete yo teneniro gotai Matiang'i gotai boikoyo nga Matiang'i nomia abaro mbali batachori birogo na baotema nende ba ukwana Matiang'i aro ga kuruo gende kiara ba Peter Munyanga ito akomora ga ukwana ngora Matiang'i bona kinkubuli ka Matiang'i na bantu tegeme abagambia bakuru boikoyo go sagenda direct pakasa abantu Wanoroche Matiang'i mukwenda chikanisa wapi boikoyo ime inga mpite ono yo ya Jubilee chorire ko mwa company other than leadership ya Jubilee bali bakane tibe ko ene na tatenga abantu abonsi people angona Matiang'i ebirogo bakurikia ya 2027 nomination bintu nebe baso ebunge lakini gegoikeranga bono babwente kukonya Matiang'i se campaign mbabwate chikura barabika sia ndo ta Matiang'i gocha kusiga iga konya no muiko yo kwana nere tetu kubuli na ki ingi batati gara sobo babuli Matiang'i chikura baru town ya se town county ya se county bali Matiang'i chikura hono una mukurigirele Matiang'i nanyole obokonyi kurwase bali bole Moswati wa moga kurukwa mchomba achitage soki mapema sana ngati tokonya Matiang'i koira bugambi ni president ya Kenya akamaote angera Matiang'i basometa amo back in university ikobono uno musani yago konya paka ngakorochi video gango tebanga na barabe potential running mate o Matiang'i 2027 bono kitukirete iga ngairi aro muswati yo aro state house akatavera ninkale nende rais in 2 term
yangu ni 3 term ya rais ni 2 term kazi bila kelele
bami ndo gake onyo musani o Matiang'i wasomete ko mutangani oli project omutigire pia kagenda oyo gachiro visiti ya Matiang'i gali Karen tomora kabisa mnago taro bakaranza na Matiang'i meeting bale ereki bagendi Matiang'i basha ebintu details ebintu serious ngabono oli mukiro ojire seruto inkiro cha mutabiri bono gore Matiang'i inkia mutabiri gore Matiang'i endonyo asibonzi pionya rotiketa Matiang'i ingo Matiang'i abwatara amini korwo atobora ni in a honest manner ingo Matiang'i abwate ara amini korwo nsemele abagambia baba ikoyo roche ndobategeme na gorete policy ga ngobuli abantu Matiang'i kose Kalonzo ase Mount Kenya abange base bakoteba Kalonzo sababu ki alwa balo kwanire according to me na rochenga Kalonzo oni kumono na gashagwa paka abantu bashake kumanjirana ingwebuli Matiang'i rengo komoni ase Mount Kenya Jerema kiona kumukwane TV moka rali Kenya koga na izimo kagenda kwanire Matiang'i bya ngoba kandi timbaga na kanisa Matiang'i atayo bamukwanire bya indi bakocha kuchakeli abantu bakasaini Nyabono komnyoka oguchakira ogutiga abantu bakolera sintanga ni magomnyoka kisoko genda na unyo kwa unyo moko genda wagutacha kwacha wagusuka kwasuka akomenta ikine kiko konya Matiang'i lakini bora rabu bakirite kashago monyene bino toga mabonika angide Matiang'i hanya bengo mero Matiang'i gusunte mara murume mbota Rusio bono Matiang'i acho atakemia kurumne viongozi njuna ndo chiga pangwa namba ko Matiang'i tiga Matiang'i agende bikasa abantu inkia bento gukora matenti gake ndatare kabisa haikera abantu fashanera ande chikanisa echo batiga koru interact n'abantu deeply nindalinde sana ikia gukwana gukwana ikintu tigo umuntu utegera tu onyeri umuntu ateye bamura wene atokareki tokarteki toganiti na bebente ko bayigo kuruguru mpakanse tomonyora nk'abantu aba one at least ngo yikubale Matiang'i ke close kabisa ate abantu biko manyene na bende gutara chinza mu chinde tari Mount Kenya aike coast asibi aike bogera asibi aike boluya asibi ana no distant asibi yakogera abantu mba muita beta sega sia gukora ingi kumuzuya taiko ali abantu bacham dia nyore support kuruchize mechinde Mount Kenya osingisho muntu tebenga ngogana kiro muntu achire ningo Matiang'i okunugo create momentum iko Matiang'i bende kuika bantange bago soli bebanga timetio sana kwane bo tetemba mugano yo magingo ko rege pindike in 2022 campaign gajaga saini ani wiguru abete na Raila Amolo Odinga mpaka chida ikachomwele mpaka chana kuruga bakalonje manifesto pamoja matukutere temake ria tutam ani UDA akana kirinyaga numitinga kirinyaga echu ani wiguru arwete na mata karua chikura Raila tanyo na nyano polling station yali mata karua agereto tayo tukura nakingo buli naki ninki kikakogera twabanga tuli so dependent tiga Matiang'i mainga ono takwamini muntu tiga mukakolesh campaign chae aisume kabisa abantu bamukonya bono liga bona juzi bono roche muswatu no mabishomba kwa ikaranse nere meeting ali Karen na jeto bisi ya Karen nigali baikaransa kabisa bagamba mangani strategy ganaga akikoma konyoranga muntu bagamba komo uchiro tikira Matiang'i urucho muntu ingecho kwatabyo mubisa ingecho kwatabyo mubeu ngichanete sana se comment section ngerasere na kibenge byabo bire byamno sana.
Welcome to Humphrey's Hill House. Humphrey's is a boutique hotel located on Kionganyo Hill in Kisii town. We are just 2 kilometers off Kisii CBD, and the hill itself, Kionganyo, is culturally significant among Abagusi people. This is where our prophet Sakawa stood and prophesied that Getembe, which is Kisii town, will come up. And several other cultural activities used to happen on this hill, which included Ribina dance, where women met and danced and prayed for rains. Young men fought wars about marriage in this hill. So the hill is very significant. And therefore, in the design concept for this hotel, we have done what we call a hotel within a museum, where we have tried to collect, document, and preserve a lot of Kisii culture. So right from the gate, as you come in, you'll see pieces of soapstone, the reception in our gift shop. Each of our room has a piece of soapstone that explains about some cultural event or activity. You go to our common spaces, whether it's in the bar, whether it's in the restaurant, there are carvings displayed all over, which have cultural stories and those kind of things. And then at the back side of the main building, we have developed a Gusii homestead, the authentic Gusii homestead with all the traditional huts. And this is where we want culture to be experienced as it was in those days. So the buildings have been done how they were supposed to be. The activities can be carried out. There are indigenous trees there. There are free-range chicken that are running all over. And it's a nice setup if you want to hold traditional weddings and traditional activities. Then next to it, we have an amphitheater that has a capacity of around 250 people, where again, performances, both cultural and meetings and conferences can happen. As we endeavor to support the community and preserve the culture that we so wish it doesn't disappear. All in all, you're welcome to Humphrey's, and we hope you'll be able to get an experience of the Gusii culture. Thank you very much.